Hello students, welcome to e-classes of Deepal School. This is the part number 2 of Science World book, chapter number 6 of standard 3, the organ system in your body chapter. Okay, so we already learned about the circulatory system, the breathing system, the skeletal system. Now we are going to see about our muscular system. Okay, so let's see. So can you feel the soft parts covering your bones? Yes, they are your muscle students. They are attached to the bones. They help you to move the different parts of your body, all the muscles of your body together to form the muscular system. Okay, there are more than 600 muscles in your body. So always remember that students, how many bones? 206. And how many muscles? More than 600. Okay, then if we talk about, and this one you may see in the picture, this is the picture of muscular system. Okay, then after that, the digestive system. So we already learn about that. You eat food with your mouth, you chew the food with your teeth, then you swallow it, you feel it going down your throat. Where does it go? The food passages through the food pipe and reaches the stomach. Okay, so what? The food passages through the food pipe, and this one you see, this one is the food pipe, and after that it goes to the stomach. Then here the food is churned and made into the paste. Then after that it reaches the small intestine, and this one is the small intestine. Here you see, this one is the small intestine, and after that it goes to the large intestine. The food is completely digested in small intestine. Then after that the wastes are sent to the large intestine. Okay, this one you see, this one is the large intestine. After the digesting of food within the small intestine, then the food goes to the what? Large intestine. Then from where they are thrown out of the body through the anus. This one is the last part, that is the anus, and this comes after the rectum, and this is the whole process of the digestive system. And this is consist of what? Food pipe, first of all mouth, then food pipe, then after the stomach, then small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. Okay, so this is the total part of the digestive system. Then after that we are going to see the excretory system. Okay, so let's see. You throw all the garbages out of your house every day. If the garbages remains in the house for a few days, the whole house shrinks. Okay, so also all the wastage foam in the body should be thrown out every day. If they remain inside your body, you will fall sick. You have a pair of vein-shaped kidneys that remove the wastage from your blood in the form of urine. Okay, these are the two kidneys. Or which shape? These are bean-shaped. You have a pair of bean-shaped kidneys that remove all the wastage from your blood in the form of urine. The lungs remove wastage in the form of gas called carbon dioxide. Okay, through the nose. Your skin removes salts and excess water from the body in the form of sweat. Your kidneys, lungs, and skin forms the excretory system. So the excretory system form of kidneys, lungs, and skin. Okay, then the nervous system. Let's see how the nervous system works. You think, learn, remember, and do many other things. Okay, so you see, hear, smell, taste, and feel. What help you to do all these things, students? Yes, it is your brain. In fact, the brain controls all that you do. Okay? The brain receives information from all parts of your body and sends messages to them through the nervous or nerves. Okay? Then the nerves helps you to gathering the information and taking them to your brain. Nerves all are like just wires. Okay, then your brain and nerves together form the nervous system. So what are the parts of the nervous system, students? Yes, the brain and the nerves. Okay, and this one you see, this is the picture of your nervous system. Okay, your brain is your brain is active even when you are asleep. Okay, students, so this is the whole chapter discussion, and these are the important systems of your body. Then after that, the another one, which one is known as the reproductive system. So the reproductive system in human being helps them to have babies. It is because of this system your parents have a sweet child like you. So this is known as the reproductive system. Then how to care of your body? You take care of the machines you use. Okay, so you use them regularly, get them serviced regularly, and also operate them carefully. So also you must take of your body, take regular physical exercise and eat healthy food, and they will work well all your life. Okay, so that's the way to care of your body. Then do physical exercise for 20 to 30 minutes a day, that keeps your heart, lungs and your whole body healthy. Okay, students, so this is the whole chapter discussion, and see you in next class.